Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome to the Scratch batch. Today we're doing two-dimensional mensuration. So yesterday we had discussed the concepts of 2D mensuration and tried some example questions. Today we're going to do a little more questions, some more questions on 2D mensuration. Yeah, please confirm if you all are able to hear me. Okay, my name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai. This is my Telegram handle. Telegram channel. In fact, if you guys have not joined this yet, please go ahead and do that, guys. The link is given in the description also. Okay, so we're going to, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up some questions. I'll give you some time to look at them and solve them. These are very easy questions, very simple questions, provided you are strong with the basics. Okay, so I'm going to put up a question, give you some time to solve it, and I'll wait for your responses. Okay, all right, so here's the first question. Try this out. I think we have done a similar question earlier. अपन ने एक similar question देखा हुआ है. How many rectangles with integral sides are possible where the area of the rectangle equals the perimeter of the rectangle? Condition says area of the rectangle should be equal to the perimeter of rectangle. How many rectangles are possible, they're asking. Okay. Hello Abhi. Hi Anudeep. I'm doing great, thank you so much. How are you doing? Superb Anudeep. Also guys, if you're looking at the screen and are not able to view the screen properly, if there's a blur or if it's not clear, please change the video quality. Yes, go to menu, go to quality, go to 1080p or 540p depending upon your internet speed. Okay, Anudeep, I am live. मैं live हूँ भाई, क्या हो गया? Acha, you were waiting. All right. Super. Chalo, the wait is over. Okay, we'll try this. So they're saying area of rectangle should be equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. We know area of the rectangle is L into B, and perimeter of that particular rectangle will be 2L plus 2B, correct? 2 times L and 2 times B. Yes. So from here, let's do one thing. Let's bring this 2L to this side. So we will have L into B minus 2L will be equal to 2 times B. Let's take L out common. So we will have L into B minus 2 will be 2B, or L will be equal to 2 times B by B minus 2. Yes. So now at this stage, all we have to do is go trial and error. Okay, we have to go for trial and error. So there's breadth, there is length. Now one thing is clear, that breadth cannot be 2 or less than 2. Yes, breadth has to be greater than 2, and they're saying the sides must be integer. So the minimum value for B has to be 3, correct? Yeah. So what happens when B is equal to 3? When B is equal to 3, डिनोमिनेटर में 1 हो जाएगा, ऊपर में 2 into 3 6 हो जाएगा, correct? Yes. So 3, 6 is possible. Yeah. And nothing's wrong here, right? All good, na? 3 minus 2, yeah, okay. What if B is equal to 4? If B is equal to 4, then 2 into 4, 8 by 2 is 4 again. So 4, 4 is a square, but we need to know that all squares are automatically rectangles, correct? All squares are automatically rectangles. Yeah. Squares are rectangles also, squares are rhombi also. Okay, rhombus bhi hai, rectangle bhi hai, ek square. Yes. Anything else? Can we try with 5? What happens 5? We get 10 by 3. Not possible. If we try with 6, we will get 3 again. Yes, 2 into 6, 12. 12 by 4 is going to be 3 again. So this we've already counted. Yeah. Apart from this, any other number that will satisfy? Not really, right? You can try with 7. Nahi hoga. 8. 2 into 8, 16. 16 by 6, not integer. 9. Obviously not, denominator में 7 आ जाएगा. 10, 20 by 8, not an integer, so none of the other values will make sense. These would be the only two solutions. So now 3, 6, 4, 4 will be the two solutions, because 3, 6 and 6, 3 are same. Yes, 3, 6 and 6, 3 are one and the same, correct? Do you agree? This is 3, 6 and this is 6, 3. दोनों same है. Both are the same rectangle, just rotated. तो rotate करना would not change the rectangle. Rectangle same ही है. 3, 6 and 3, 6 या 6, 3 दोनों same है. So we have only two unique rectangles, which is 3, 6 and 4, 4. Got it? 3, 6 and 4, 4. That's it. बढ़िया? Correct. Hi Raja. Yes Anudeep. Option B. Two rectangles are possible. Done. Telling you next. Here's our next question. Try this out. I'll explain the question. It says that there is a square. Okay. Joining the midpoints of the square. Joining the midpoints of the square, there's another square being formed. ऐसे या ये एक और स्क्वायर है. Vedant says A 128. Very good. Others. Then further joining iska midpoints, we are forming another square like this. So this will keep going on. Further again joining iske midpoints, another square, right? This will keep going on till infinity. Infinite squares are formed like this. Microscopic level में zoom out, zoom in करते रहोगे, square बनते जाएंगे. So they are asking what will be the sum of the areas of all these squares अगर बाहर का जो square है उसका length is given to us as 8. Yes. तो इसका side अगर 8 है, that means midpoint. So this will be 4, this will be 4. ये 90 डिग्रीज है. सो लुक एट दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ये देखो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बन रहा है. विद दिस वी कैन फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द इनर स्क्वायर, राइट? सो इनर स्क्वायर का लेंथ ढूंढेंगे, विच विल बी हाउ मच? 4 and 4. सो दिस विल बिकम 4√2. करेक्ट? पिथागोरस थ्योरम. 4 square plus 4 square is 16. 16 का 4 square plus 4 square is 32. 32 का root is what? 4√2. Yes. Further, so first look at this. First square का side है 8. उसका area होगा 8 square which is 64. Second square का side है 4√2. उसका square होगा 32. So let's look at the third square now. Third square में क्या होगा? Again, if this is 4√2, then can I say half and half will be 2√2? So this is 2√2, this is 2√2, this is 90 degrees. तो अंदर का क्या हो जाएगा? 2√2 plus 2√2 square. Yes, 2√2 square plus 2√2 square is 8. 8 plus 8 16. So अंदर का side क्या हो गया? 4 हो गया. So अंदर inside this the purple color square is 4 units. तो उसका area 16. So if you notice, what are we forming here? We are forming a GP. Yes, यहाँ पे एक GP बन रहा है, where the common ratio is 1/2. Correct? Infinite GP with common ratio as 1/2. So first term of this GP is 64. Common ratio is 1/2, and this is an infinite GP जिसका sum क्या होता है? A by 1 minus R. Correct, Pritesh? So A by 1 minus R will be what? 64 by 1 minus 1/2, which is 64 by 1/2. That is 64 into 2, 128 unit square or centimeter square. But yeah, this will be the sum of all the squares that are formed. Cool, everybody? Done. So you can eliminate two answer choices like this itself. 64 and 32 itself is 96. 64, 32 and 16 itself is 122. Correct? यही 122 हो गया, तो ये दो तो आउट है. It has to be 128 or none of the above. It is 128. Done? Beautiful. Yes, Anudeep. Correct answer. Vedansh, Pritesh, I hope you got the same answer. Very good, Anudeep. चलिए next. Try this question. सूरज डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है. सूरज डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला, सम ऑफ इन्फिनाइट टर्म्स इज a by 1 minus r. Okay, sum of infinite terms in a GP is a by 1 minus r. This is not 900, या 90 degrees है. we need to find the radius of this particular circle. In the question, it needs to be given that DE and GF are parallel to each other. Okay, it needs to be given in the question that DE and GF are parallel to each other. All right. DE and GF are parallel to each other. ये question में दिया होना चाहिए, without which it will be difficult to answer. This is actually a previous year question. Old CAT में से ओल्ड कैट का ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है. ओ हाँ, ट्रपीजियम दे दिया ना, सॉरी आई डिडंट नोटिस. ट्रपीजियम दे दिया है, यस, सो यस, डोंट हैव टू गिव दैट देन. सॉरी करेक्ट सूरज. Let's label the terms. DM is 1 centimeters, GN is 4 centimeters, and these two angles are 90 degrees. Yes, we need to find out the radius of this particular side circle. Yes. So without without doing much, we can't answer this. So first things first, look at this. Can I say that GN and GP are two tangents from the same point? GN and GP are two tangents from the same point. Correct? G से originate हो रहा है दो tangents. Yes. So they will be equal. If GN is 4, then GP is also 4. This part is done. Same way, if this is 4, look at D. DP and DM will also be equal. Same property, tangent from the same point. DP, DM, दोनों equal. तो दोनों equal to 1 हो जाएंगे. Yes. From here we found out DG का length. DG का पूरा length क्या है? 5 centimeters. We found that out. Yes. Now we need to find out the diameter. Yes, if we can find out the diameter, then we can find out the radius. Correct? Diameter जैसे तैसे करके find out करना है. So first what we are going to do is we are going to draw a line perpendicular to GF. Okay, एक line draw करेंगे perpendicular to GF. Okay, we can call this ADA or something, AD. Okay, so we are drawing, construction करना पड़ेगा. We are drawing a line AD that is perpendicular to GF. Yes. So if we can find out the length of, DG या DA, इसका length अगर अपन ढूंढ सकते हैं, तो automatically we'll have the diameter. Correct? Because the diameter will be parallel to the line DA. दोनों parallel होंगे. ये भी 90, ये भी 90 होगा. Agreed? Both of them would be 90 degrees. Correct? क्योंकि ये दो parallel lines है, DE and GF are parallel, perpendicular distances between them are also parallel. Correct? So if we can somehow manage to find out dq, then we can get the diameter there. Say yes if you agree with this, guys. Yeah, radius is 2. Anudeep says radius is 2. Very good, correct answer. Yeah. Okay, so how do we find this length? AG का length कैसे ढूंढ सकते हैं? How can we find the length of AG? This is 5. This is 5. Yes, this entire length is 5. Okay, for us to find out the length of GA, okay, this is 1. ये अपना 1 है, ऊपर 1 है तो नीचे भी 1 होगा, राइट? टू पैरेलल लाइंस, opposite distances, so 1 and 1. So this length is 5, this length is 5. Can we find out CN from here? ये triangle नहीं बनेगा. Any clue, guys? GA का लेंथ कैसे ढूंढा जा सकता है? Oh yeah, sorry. This is 1. Okay, हो गया. This is 3. Yes, GA is 3. ये पूरा 4 है. This full thing is 4. This is 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So by Pythagoras theorem, this is 5, 3. So AD has to be 4. Correct? 3 is to 4 is to 5. If you look at triangle DAG, 3 is to 4 is to 5 हो जाएगा. ये आपका hypotenuse है DG. This is your AG 3. So automatically we have AD to be 4. अगर AD 4 centimeters है, if AD is equal to 4 centimeters, then obviously MN will also be 4 centimeters, correct? And MN क्या है? Diameter. Yes, अगर diameter 4 है तो radius क्या होगा? 4/2, 2 centimeters. Done? Yes. हो गया? I hope this is clear, okay? It's actually a simple question. ये 4 units है, 4 centimeters, and this is 1 centimeter, so automatically this is 3 centimeters. This is a right angle triangle. ये 5 अपन ने ढूंढ लिया, so 5, 3 and this has to be 4. Pythagoras theorem. 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 का square root 4. Okay? Got it? Eraser. Okay, yeah. Done? Suraj, multiple ways होंगे to answer this. There are multiple ways to answer this. One of the ways is what we have done. Okay, we have used what? One, we have used tangent का rule. Tangent का rule अपन ने use किया, and we draw a perpendicular. That's it. ठीक है? And then we used Pythagorean triplet. Cool. चलिए, next question. Here's the next one. Read this, try this out. सर्कल इज गिवन, सर्कल का रेडियस इज गिवन 1 सेंटीमीटर, तो सेंटर ले लो, ठीक है, 1 सेंटीमीटर। ए एंड बी आर 2 पॉइंट्स ऑन द टेंजेंट, पी पे टच हो रहा है सर्कल पे, ओके। ए बी सी डी जो है वो एक रेक्टेंगल है, दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल गिवन टू अस। यस, सी एंड डी ऑन द सर्कमफ्रेंस है, ए एंड बी सर्कमफ्रेंस पे नहीं है, बाहर आ रहा है, ओके। एंड व्हाट आर दे सेइंग, इफ 2 टाइम्स ए बी इज बी सी, ये 2 टाइम्स ए बी इज बी सी, so they are asking what is the approximate area of this particular rectangle, okay. Janudeep says 1.6, okay, very close guys, please use calculator, okay, wherever required please use a calculator. Wrong है Anudeep, wrong है 1.6. चलो okay, let's do this. So let's say O is the center of this particular circle. Yes, so we know this is the radius, this is the radius, ये दोनों radius हो जाएंगे. Yes, automatically what will happen, these two sides will be equal, these two sides are equal, so these two angles will also be equal, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 90 का half, right, 45 45, this will be 135, doesn't make sense, 45 45 and 90, this can't be 90, 90 will form a quadrant, right, चलो ठीक है, okay. So we need to find the area of this particular rectangle. चलो ठीक है, first let's start with this. They're saying 2 times AB is BC, correct, 2 times AB क्या है, BC है, yeah. तो अपन एक काम करेंगे, we'll call this as A and A, okay. So अगर ये 2A है, A and A, if this is 2A then this will become 4A, correct. ये अगर 2 है A तो ये 4A हो जाएगा, yeah. Moreover this angle and this angle, ये अगर थीटा है तो ये 2 टाइम्स थीटा होगा, डबल हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Alright, so first let's find out the length of DP, ठीक है, DP का लेंथ ढूंढते हैं. इट इज क्लियर, रेक्टेंगल में P इफ द मिड पॉइंट, तो DC सॉरी PC एंड DP विल बी इक्वल, करेक्ट, DP एंड CP दोनों इक्वल होंगे रेक्टेंगल में मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर रहे हुए लाइंस. यस, what will be the length of this if we use this 90 degrees Pythagoras theorem? तो ये 4a, ये a, this will be equal to what? 4a square plus a square का whole root, which is 16a square plus a square, 17a square का whole root, that is root 17a, correct? तो dp का लेंथ हमें मिल गया root 17a, dp is root 17a, okay? Yes, so dp and cp is done, root 17a, sorted. यहाँ तक clear है guys? Yeah. Now the radius is given to us as 1 and 1. If we look at this particular triangle CDP, this is 4a, this is 2a. So area of triangle CDP will be basically what? Half times CD times perpendicular distance. तो यहाँ से perpendicular distance will be 4a only. Parallel lines हो जाएंगे ये, right? तो 4a, BC या जो भी लगा लो, ठीक है? So this will give us half times CD क्या है? 2a, BC क्या है? 4a. Yes, so we are basically getting the area of this particular triangle will be 4a square. Yes, 2 cancel, 4 times a square. Yeah. Now OC अगर आप देखोगे in this particular triangle, इस triangle को देखो, CPD को देखो, triangle CPD, yes, जो भी अपन ने देखा CDP triangle, look at triangle CDP guys. So triangle CDP is actually inscribed in this circle, correct? So can I say the circle is a circumcircle? For triangle CDP, we have a circumcircle. Yes, so circumcircle का जो radius है, that will be what? OC, है ना? Same thing, उसका circle का OC. OC is the circumradius. So circumradius, that is R, will be OC, which is 1 centimeter. Yes. Now we know that in terms of the triangle, yes, in terms of the triangle, area of a particular triangle in terms of the circumradius is going to be what? या फिर directly we can go for the circumradius also. Either which ways, दोनों में से कुछ भी. We basically want to find out the value of a. Yes, हमें a का value ढूंढना है technically. Yes. So can we say the circumradius R is basically going to be equal to CD into CP into PD, right? PD ABC by 4 times the area. Yes, 4 times the area, correct? Yes. Are you able to get this? तो इधर से हमें क्या मिलेगा? CD क्या है? CD is 2a into root 17a into root 17a divided by 4 times 4a square. Agreed? So a square तो cancel हो गया. We basically have 2a into 17, that is 34a by 16 should be 1, correct? इधर से a मिल जाएगा अपने को. Yes, this is 17 times 8 times, a का वैल्यू क्या है? 8 by 17. Yes, from here we got a का वैल्यू as 8 by 17. इससे अपन area of the rectangle ढूंढ सकते हैं अभी. So area of the rectangle is going to be what? CD into BC, which is 2A into 4A. That's nothing but 8 times A square. Yeah. So this will be 8 into 8 square by 17 square. Feeling this, guys? I hope you're able to get this. Yes. So 8 cube is 512. Yeah. 17 square is going to be what? 289. अभी कैलकुलेटर तो चाहिएगा ही चाहिएगा. So 512 by 289 because answer choices काफी close है. This is 1.77 approximately 1.77 centimeter square. Okay, got this? The whole aim is to find out the value of A. Yes, I hope you got this. ठीक है क्या guys? Done everybody? Aim is to find out A. So A, without this we can't do it. Yeah, without this we won't be able to do it. ये क्या है? What is this? Area of the triangle का formula, right? In terms of circumradius. So area of a triangle is also given as what? ABC by 4 times R. Getting this? Area of a triangle is equal to ABC by 4 times R. इसको रख के we found it out. Okay? सूरज 1.6 नहीं होगा. कैलकुलेशन एकदम करेक्ट है. आर कैलकुलेशन इज एकदम राइट. प्लीज चेक कहीं पे कुछ गलती हुआ है तो. कहीं पे कुछ गलती हुआ है तो बोलो. वेदांश, वी हैड टू यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला हियर. We had to use this particular formula, right? Area of a triangle in terms of circumradius. Area of a triangle with circumradius. Getting this? ठीक है guys. Without this it would become difficult. इसके बिना फिर ये difficult हो जाएगा. Okay? Done? Yeah, Anudeep. Yes. So once we have this formula, then we, क्योंकि हमें तीनों sides in terms of A पता है, we know all the 3 sides in terms of A, we know the circumradius directly, so we just use this formula to get it over with. Okay, chalo, moving on, let's go for the next question. Okay, there is something missing in this question. There is some data missing in this question, तो इसे skip करेंगे. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है इस क्वेश्चन में. ये किया हुआ भी है ना अपन ने. we've done this question, right? Yeah, we've done this question. ये अपन ने करा हुआ है ना? Yeah, I think the answer is 3.2 for this. So you can check out quadrilaterals में अपन ने ये करा है. we've done this question. Okay, चलो ठीक है. ये भी किया है क्या? have we done this also? have a look at this. क्या अपन ने किया है? we've done this also, no Vedansh? Okay. चलिए ट्राई कर लिया. Try this. ये हमने नहीं किया है ना, वी हैवंट डन दिस। का डायग्राम बनाने में प्रॉब्लम हो गया मैं चलो कोई नहीं, ट्राई करो। Yes, Suraj. Isosceles trapezium is a trapezium where the non-parallel sides are equal. जो non-parallel sides है ये दोनों equal है. This is called isosceles trapezium. Okay. एक काम करेंगे गाइस, इसका डायग्राम बनाने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा यहाँ पे. We'll do this in the special class. Okay. Today we have a special class for quadrilaterals. आज quadrilaterals के लिए special class है. I'll tell you the timing. We have two special classes, one at 1:20 and another at 3 o'clock. 1:20 PM पे एक है and 3 o'clock पे we have two special classes we'll be doing on quadrilaterals. Okay, so there we will pick this question up. ठीक है, okay ना, we'll do this then, क्योंकि इसका डायग्राम नहीं बनेगा and if it's not clear तो फिर काफ़ी confusion हो जाएगा. ठीक है, yeah, try this. ये डिग्रीज है, दिस इज डिग्रीज. 120 डिग्रीज, 30 डिग्रीज. They're asking what is the value of angle BCD. Best possible circle I can draw. So ABCD is a quadrilateral, they're saying, inscribed in this circle. Okay. Center of the circle is O. चलिए ट्राई करिए वाला. We need to find this angle, angle BCD. Let's mark the let's label them. They're saying angle COD, central angle here, angle COD is 120 degrees. Angle BAC, okay, so if we join this, BAC is 30 degrees. We need to find the value of BCD, this angle. Okay. So what we can do is we can start by taking this part as X, this part as Y. Okay. Angle OCD को अपन ने Y लिया है एंड एंगल BCA को अपन ने x लिया. ओके, so now we need to do what? First look at this. यहाँ पे देखो, OD and OC will be equal, correct? OD and OC will be equal. Radius, तो अगर ये 120 डिग्रीज है तो ये दोनों मिला के कितना होना चाहिए? 60 डिग्रीज. यस, एंड सिंस दे आर इक्वल, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, एंगल y is 30 डिग्रीज. एग्रीड? ये वाला जो पार्ट है, एंगल y will be 30 degrees, correct? This angle is 30 degrees. Yes. Now we need to find out this angle BCA. तो ये जो एंगल है BCA, this angle is formed by this particular arc. Or okay, wait, this angle is formed by this arc, है ना? BC is forming this 30 degrees and same BC will be forming this this angle also. This is 630, correct? If we join this, इसको अगर अपन join करेंगे, if we join this, then this angle will also be 30. This is 30, this is 30. So automatically this is also 120. This basically means that these two chords are of same length. Same way these two chords are of same length. Yes, 90 has to be our answer. ये दोनों chord same length के हैं, ये दोनों chord same length के हैं, and this is 30. Again ये क्या हो जाएगा? 120 120 is 240. बाकी जो 120 है, so this will be 60 and 60, correct? Vertically opposite angles. तो ये अगर 60 है तो these two will also be 60 degrees. खत्म. तो एंगल x क्या है? 60 degrees. You're basically getting y plus x is 30 plus 60, that is 90 degrees. Yes. हाँ, correct, yeah. 120 का half, we can also directly do it. 120 का half हो जाएगा, so this is 60, this is 30, this has to be 90. Directly भी आ जाएगा. Yes, वेदांश. Yeah. Directly ये 90 आ जाएगा. Once you have this 30, yes, arc CD makes two angles, one at the center. Central angle is 120, so automatically this angle has to be 60. ये angle जो है वो 60 रहेगा. 120 60, yes, half, correct? So अगर ये 60 है, ये 30 है, तो ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्रीज होगा. डायरेक्टली आ जाएगा. या चलिए, एनी विच वेज 90 डिग्रीज इज द राइट आंसर. यस, बढ़िया. चलिए, लेट्स ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. We need to find out the radius of the outer circle. थर्टी सेकेंड्स भी नहीं लगेंगे ये क्वेश्चन में. These are two concentric circles. Concentric मतलब क्या? Same center. Okay. So what happens for the outer circle? अगर आप देखोगे for the outer circle, AB is an arc. AB arc है, so AB will be a chord here. Line AB is a chord, and OC is going to be perpendicular. Correct? OC क्यों perpendicular होगा? क्योंकि छोटे सर्कल के लिए टेंजेंट है, तो रेडियस छोटा r रेडियस के लिए दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर. इफ इट इज परपेंडिकुलर, वी नो दैट इन अ सर्कल a line drawn from the center to a chord which is perpendicular it will bisect it. So this is 3 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. What do we have to find out? We have to find out this length AO, which is the radius of the outer circle. So can we use Pythagoras theorem here? Yes, we have. R square will be equal to 3 square plus R square. Now they are saying that the radius of both the circles are integers. दोनों integers होने चाहिए. What are the possibilities? We know 5:3:4. 3:4:5 could work. Yes, 5 square will be 3 square plus 4 square. Works out. Yeah, so this has to be our answer. But you can try other ones also. Let's say अगर 4 लगा रहा हूँ मैं, reverse engineering कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? If I plug in r square as 4, what will happen? Small r square will be 4 square minus 3 square, which is 16 minus 9, 7. तो r अपना √7 हो जाएगा. Not an integer. Out. Same thing with 6. R square will be what? 6 square minus 3 square, which is 36 minus 9, 27. तो r क्या हो जाएगा? √27, which is 3√3. Again, no. Will 3 work? 3 वर्क नहीं करेगा बिकॉज r स्क्वायर विल बिकम व्हाट? 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर. सो 3 से तो बड़ा ही होगा ऑब्वियसली. हाइपोटेन्यूज है तो 3 से तो बड़ा ही होगा. सो वोंट वर्क विथ 3 स्क्वायर ऑल्सो. आंसर इज 5. ओके, दिस इज बेसिकली व्हाट? Pythagorean triples. 3:4:5. ओके, चलेंगे नेक्स्ट. Go for the next question. विश्वजीत 3 नहीं होगा, 5 होगा आंसर. 5. This is what is given to us, guys. AB is a diameter. C and D are points on the circumference. CAD is 30 degrees, they are saying. CBA is 70 degrees. They want us to find out the measure of ACD, this angle, how much will this be? So can we say that ABCD is automatically a cyclic quadrilateral because all the four vertices lie on the circumference of the circle? Okay. Yes, Abhi, it helps in IP Math also. Vedant says 40, correct. 40 is the right answer. Super Vedansh. Yeah, so ABCD क्या है? Cyclic quadrilateral. So we know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Correct? In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. तो अगर ये 70 है, if this is 70, then this full angle should be how much? 110. Correct? Do you agree? Yes or no? Yeah. So if this is 110 and ये क्या बोल रहे हैं कि AB is the diameter. तो AB अगर diameter है, if this is 180 degrees, if this angle is 180 degrees क्योंकि diameter straight line, तो automatically this angle will be 90 degrees. सेम कॉर्ड से सेंटर में 180 डिग्रीज एंड डी पे 90 डिग्रीज. करेक्ट? तो एंगल ADB we found out will be 90 degrees. Why? Because 180 degrees का half. Okay? Getting this? Theta and 2 times theta. ये 2 times theta, ये theta. Yeah? अगर ये 90 है तो automatically this will be 20. Yes. Can we do the same thing here? सारे angles ढूंढ सकते हैं. You can find out all the angles here. सारे angles, all the angles you can do here. So look at this angle. ये वाला angle देखो. CAB, this angle CAB भी ढूंढ सकते हैं. कैसे? How will we find out CAB? CAB is from the same arc as CB, है ना? CB में CAB भी बन रहा है, CDB भी बन रहा है. So this is 20 degrees. You can find out all the angles. सारे angles आप ढूंढ सकते हो यहाँ पे. Yes. Same way, if you look at this particular CBA, या फिर CBD देखो, CBD ये वाला एंगल CBD is formed from the same arc as CAD. correct? तो ये भी 30 degrees. You can find out all the angles. क्वेश्चन में जो भी दिया है सब कुछ ढूंढ सकते हैं. This will be 30. ये 70 बोला है तो this will be 40. If this is 40, then look at this. एंगल DBA and एंगल DCA दोनों सेम आर्क से है तो ये भी 40. x का वैल्यू तो हमें मिल गया 40. You can find out all the other angles also. ये एंगल कितना होगा? This will be how much? 90 degrees. करेक्ट? क्योंकि 180 सेम डायमीटर पे ट्रायंगल बन रहा है. इफ द ट्रायंगल में, अगर एक साइक्लिक ट्रायंगल में one of the bases, one of the sides is the diameter, then it has to be a right angle triangle. Yes, so सारे angles आप ढूंढ सकते हो, all the angles, even the central ones, मतलब not central angle per se, but ये जो बीच में जो angles बन रहे हैं ये भी ढूंढ सकते हो. This is 20 and 40, which is 60. So this has to be 120 degrees. Same way 60, 120 degrees, vertically opposite angles. 90, 30, 60, 90, 30, 60. सारे angles, every angle within this you can find out. ठीक है? Cool. सिमिलर लेवल, अभी सिमिलर लेवल, बट कैट से थोड़े इजी आते हैं क्वेश्चंस. इट्स इजियर कंपेयर टू कैट, बट द वंस दैट वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग सिमिलर लेवल. ठीक है, बढ़िया गाइस. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So they're saying from a circular sheet of paper with radius 20 centimeters, four circles of radius 5 centimeters each are cut out. Yes, so कहीं पर भी anywhere you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, सबके रेडियस क्या है 5 सेंटीमीटर. These are cut out. ठीक है, they want us to find out the ratio of uncut to cut portion. Suraj says B 4:1, Anudeep says 3:1. Okay, others? Anyone else? सूरज थोड़ा सा ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो. अनकट टू कट, 3:1 is the right answer. Yes, ऐसे ही correct. So what do we have? Look at this. Full बड़ा वाला circle, पूरा बड़ा वाला circle. So area of the bigger circle is going to be what? Pi r square, where r is 20. So 20 square is 400. So 400 pi is the area of the बड़ा circle. Okay. इसमें से cut वाला portion, area of one particular circle will be how much? एक circle का area will be how much? Pi times 5 square, correct? Which is 25 pi. ऐसे कितने सर्कल्स है? 4 सर्कल्स है. सो 4 सर्कल्स का एरिया कितना हो जाएगा? कट वाला एरिया 25 into 4 pi, which is 100 pi. So what are they asking? Cut is 100 pi. They're saying uncut is going to be what? This particular part. ये वाला uncut है, ये सब कुछ, excluding the cut वाला part. जो बच गया बाकी remaining part after cutting, whatever is remaining, right? All this, इसका एरिया पूछा है. तो इसका एरिया क्या होगा? टोटल बड़ा वाला सर्कल का एरिया में से if we remove off these cut portions, we'll get the uncut part, correct? Yeah. So this will be what? 400 pi में से 100 pi remove कर पे. Yeah, this will be 300 pi is to 100 pi, which is nothing but 3:2. Okay. Option C 3:1 is correct. 4:1 कब होगा? Total is to cut part अगर पूछे, if they ask for total area to the area of the cut portion, then it is 4:1. Otherwise 3:1 is your answer. Okay. चलिए try the next one. Okay, ये this we will do it in the special class. Yeah, try this one. Area of triangle CBE to ADE. Any answers, guys? Very simple question. They've given AD is 24 units and BC is 12 units. Essay he says 1:4, correct. Superb. So look at these triangles, triangle CBE and triangle ADE. अगर आप देखोगे, one, I can say angle E and angle E will be equal, vertically opposite angles. Yes, angle CEB will be equal to angle AED because they are vertically opposite angles. Yeah. Same way, if you look at these two angles, angle B and angle D will also be equal. Q. Angle CBA अगर देखोगे, CBA is from the same arc AC as angle CDA. Yes, two angles from the same chord or same arc. Yes, तो double A triple A भी कर सकते हो. Double A similarity से you found out that these two triangles are similar. Once you find out that they are similar, you can directly find out the ratio of their areas. Yes, so area of triangle CBE to area of triangle ADE is going to be equal to what? BC by AD square. Yes, similar triangles, ratio of area of the similar triangles will be equal to square of the ratio of their sides. तो BC 12 है, ये 24 है, इसका square, this is 1 2 times 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 1:4 is our answer. Okay, वेरी गुड. ऐसे ही वेदांश एक बार चेक कर लो, 1:2 नहीं 1:4 होगा, स्क्वायर होगा. वेरी गुड अनुदीप. डन, easy. Two angles from the same arc. Same way you can also go for angle C and angle A. Angle C and angle A will also become equal automatically, है ना. चलिए, go for the next question. Try and answer this, guys. Saying there are two circles that touch each other externally, and draw them like two circles that touch each other okay, these are the centers. Try quickly. Go capital R बुला लेते हैं. This is capital R, this is small r. Differentiate करने. Okay. Anudeep says 4. 4 is the correct answer. Superb, Anudeep. So what is given? They are saying that the sum of the areas of the two circles is 153 pi. So sum of the bigger circle will be what? Pi times r square. Sum of the smaller circle का area will be what? Pi times r square. They're saying this is 153 pi. Pi को common लेके cancel कर दो. You will get r square plus r square is 153. Okay. Also, they are directly saying that the sum of the radii is 15. Yes, r plus r is given as 15. हमें क्या ढूंढना है? Ratio of the larger to the smaller radius. If you can go trial and error, यहीं पे trial and error अगर कर सकते हो तो कर लो. Yes, 15,0 obviously won't work out. 14,1, 13,2 करना है कर सकते हो. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go for the formula a plus b whole square. So r plus r the whole square is going to be what? R square plus r square plus 2 times r into r. Yeah, this is 15 square is equal to 153 plus 2 times r into r. तो यहाँ पे 2 times r into r is 153 minus, okay, 225 minus 153. आ रहा है समझ में? Yes, so we will get what? R into r, 225 minus 153 is how much? 72 by 2, that is 36. So r into r must be 36. Now you have the factorization ka process left. Yes, product of two terms is 36, sum of two terms is 15. Figure out. 36 is 36 into 1, obviously not. Yeah, then you have 18 into 2, 18 plus 2 is 20, not 15. Then you will have what? 12 into 3, this will be the answer. Yes, 12 into 3, 12 into 3 is 36, 12 plus 3 is 15, match हो गया. तो आपका बड़ा रेडियस इज 12, छोटा रेडियस इज 3. देर आस्किंग फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ लार्जर टू स्मॉलर. r बाई r ढूंढना है, विच इज 12:3, दैट इज 4/1 4. ओके, करेक्ट. ऐसे ही लार्जर सर्कल 12, स्मॉलर सर्कल 3. यस, तो इफ यू कैन, इफ इट्स पॉसिबल फॉर यू टू गो ट्रायल एंड एरर हियर इटसेल्फ, आप कर सकते हो. Yes, 144, 12 square is 144 plus 3 square is 9. 144 plus 9, 153. यहीं पे अगर आप ट्रायल एंड एरर कर सकते हो, if you're comfortable with it, very good. Otherwise, you will go for this process. ठीक है? My suggestion will be first couple of numbers you can try here itself. यहाँ पे try करो एक बार. ओके, इफ इट वर्क्स आउट वेल एंड गुड, एक्स्ट्रा प्रोसेस करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी, वरना ऑब्वियसली दूसरा चॉइस नहीं है, जाना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, डन. चलिए, ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डायग्राम नहीं दिया हुआ है तो इट विल बी अप टू अस टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. ओके. Creative Rahul, yes. मे बी डायग्राम में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. मे बी वी कैन ट्राई. तो 2 सर्कल्स, बड़ा सर्कल छोटा सर्कल 2 है, राइट. लेट्स से लार्जर सर्कल, स्मॉलर सर्कल, दोनों एक्सटर्नली टच कर रहे हैं. ओके. वेरी sad drawing but okay. And there are 2 tangents. ये tangent है. Okay, this is one tangent, this is another tangent. Yes, ये 2 tangents है. alright. this point label करेंगे फटाफट. this point is O, जहाँ पे ये लोग मिल रहे हैं. this point, अरे यार ये क्या हो गया, इतना मुश्किल से जो डिसेंट सा डायग्राम बनाया था. चलो ओके. मैनेजेबल चलेगा. ओके. तो they both meet at point A. तो point A ये रहा. this is point A. These tangents touch the larger circle at B and C. So this is B, this is C. The radius of the larger circle is 3 centimeters, they are saying. 3 centimeters. This is also 3 centimeters. Radius है. Yeah. और क्या बोला है? Length of AB is given. AB का length दे दिया है 4 centimeter. A to B. They want us to find out the radius of the smaller triangle. This will be the radius of the smaller triangle. ये ढूंढना है हम. This is our unknown. Okay. चलिए quickly try. डायग्राम मैंने बना दिया है. I've drawn the diagram. ट्राई करिए. आशीष says 1. ऐसे ही says 0.75. yes, 0.75 correct है. 0.75 is the right answer. So look at this. ये सेंटर से line radius will be perpendicular. Yes, from here can we find out the length of A? Let's call this whatever x. ax का लेंथ आ जाएगा. Do you agree guys? Pythagoras theorem यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे. Yeah. So from here what can we do? एक काम करेंगे, इसे x इसे y बुला लेते हैं. ठीक है, सेंटर x and y है. Yes. So in this particular right angle triangle AXB, triangle AXB में AX आपका hypotenuse होगा. So AX square will be equal to 4 square plus 3 square, which is 5 square, correct? 16 plus 9, so ax आपको क्या हो गया? ax is 5 centimeters. Agreed? 3:4:5 भी कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, no issues. Yes. Same way, now what we can do here? Can we find the length of, okay, nothing else is given directly. Okay, let's call this D. यहाँ पे एक चीज तो क्लियर है that these two triangles will be similar, correct? Triangle AXB and triangle AYD, ये दोनों similar होंगे. Do you agree, guys? AXB and AYD will be similar. कैसे? 90 degrees and common angle A. Yes, दोनों 90 degrees है. Angle B and angle D are 90 degrees, and angle A will be equal to angle A. So why? Because common angle. So by AA similarity, we have proved that these two triangles are similar. AXB similar to triangle AYD. Yes. So what happens here? We can say bx by dy, है ना? bx by dy will be equal to, okay, we don't know ax का length, we know 5, ax by ay क्या? ax by ay, dy अपना r है, bx हमें पता है, bx is 3, dy is going to be r, ax we know is 5, ay क्या होगा? ay, this is 3, radius है ये भी, xo is radius 3, so this will be, ये पूरा 5 है, तो 5 में से 3 is gone, so ये पूरा 2 है, 2 में से r गया, so 2 minus r, correct? Agreed, guys? Yeah, correct. Superb. Yes, ऐसे ही. Yeah. So now we cross multiply, we'll get the value of r directly, right? Cross multiply कर लो. 6 minus 3r is 5r. Yeah, so you will get 8r is 6, r is 6 by 8, which is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is 0.75. Yeah, direct answer आ गया. So similarity works here. Similarity, this will fetch you the answer. Done? Okay, the point is, since OX is 3, OY is R, and then this length, ये अगर 3 है तो this will be, ये पूरा 5 मिल गया हमें, AX is 5, so we will basically get AY will be equal to what? This 5. AY will be equal to what? 5 में से 3 गया, फिर ये वाला R गया, which is 2 minus R. ठीक है? This is what will be useful here. Done, guys? So with this we will wrap this session, guys. We will be doing more questions today at 1:20. Okay, I know awkward time है 1:20, but वही slot open था. So 1:20 PM today we will be doing special class. We'll be looking at more questions from quadrilaterals. Okay, so don't forget to join in. Yes, and guys, on the app you have 25,000, more than 25,000 practice questions. You have more than 25 mock tests for both CAT and OMETs. Yes, you have sectional tests, skill builder test, batch specific test, and there's also test on general knowledge. Yeah, you can take Plus or Iconic subscription to make use of this mock test and practice test. Yes, you can use them any number of times. Got it? Also, these are the 2 batches that have started yesterday. You can enroll into these batches for CAT 22 by taking a subscription. Today is the last day, guys. Today is the last day for the 20% price drop. Don't forget to take the subscription using my code Surana Live. Yes, to get this 20% discount. Okay, these are the prices for Plus, these are the prices for Iconic. Yes, for somebody who's planning on giving CAT 22, you can take the 9 months Iconic subscription. If you also want to go for other management entrance tests, then you can go for 12 months Iconic, or you can go for 12 months Plus also. Okay, Iconic mein you will get all the benefits of Plus. Along with that, your GDPI and WAT preparation will also be taken care of. You will get one-on-one live sessions, personalized test analysis, and you will be part of a community that is specifically for Iconic learners, and you get a chance to book for your study materials now. Okay, don't forget, guys, May 15th there's the 4-day workshop ka test hoga. Don't forget to give. These are the prizes to be won. Okay, and Plus subscription gives you unlimited access to all the features on the app. Yes, live sessions, recorded sessions. You can join in any number of courses and batches. You can download any number of PDFs also. You'll have quizzes. You'll be part of the open house sessions. You'll be a part of separate community for Plus students, and you'll have a feature called raise a hand where you can ask doubts. Physically you can ask doubts. Your voice will be heard in the Plus class. Okay, thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to drop me a message. I'll help you out. Until then,